Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and this is my 10th tutorial on iOS development. My today's topic is UIStackView. UIStackView is used to manage group of views horizontally and vertically. Let's understand this. So let's suppose we have a view. Let's add a UIStackView. Today we will work on horizontal stack view. So let's add constraint leading, trailing and vertical space from label and then add height. So now this vertical space to be, let's say 40, right, and 0 0. Let's add background color to be light gray. Let's add an element in this, suppose buttons 1. So it would automatically manage these buttons. So if we add items, so we have this group of items, basically views, and let's add a spacing of 10. So it would automatically manage spacing between these views. And let's add 3 more buttons outside this stack view. So we will understand like how it would automatically manage the button which are inside the stack view but not the button that are outside, because we are not adding any constraint. So let's say let's run it on simulator and let's understand this. So okay, see, if this stack view is properly aligned with leading and trailing, that is 0. So if we convert our device to landscape mode, it would automatically adjust the button spacing. But these buttons, let's move them a little bit up and let's see how these would work. So it is managing all the views that are inside the stack view automatically at equal space in both the mode, portrait and landscape. But see, these buttons are not updating automatically. So stack view manage group of views with a stack based approach. So it would arrange automatically these views. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more videos on iOS development and skill learning.